The innovative bag-in-box packaging by MiliUnVerd allows for perfect vacuum sealing, preventing the entry of oxygen and light, factors that directly contribute to the oxidation of the oil. It is convenient and easy to use. Pull the flap and tear off the round part only. Remove the tab from the interior and fit it onto the flap to secure it. Remove the fixing ring and pull the tab. Once you have the tab installed, press the top button while supporting yourself on the side supports of the tab. Now you can enjoy our CASOLÍ extra virgin olive oil, a fresh, young, beautiful oil inside and out, with its sustainable and practical bag-in-box packaging. A true pleasure for the consumer's health.